In this video, I will show you how to download a YouTube video on a laptop or PC. Open your web browser and type youtube.com in the address bar. Hit enter. You'll be redirected to the YouTube homepage. Click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your Gmail address and sign into your YouTube account. Now click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. You'll be taken to your YouTube dashboard. Go to the Content tab to find all the videos you've uploaded. To download any video, hover over it and click the three dots menu. Choose the Download option. The video will automatically download to your computer. Wait for the download to complete. Once it's downloaded, locate your saved video by clicking the folder icon. Double-click the video to watch it. That's it. Now you know how to download your YouTube videos when you lose your local video file. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.